Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I just did part one. This is part two, where we rounded off the corners, but we're going to make it a little bit different. I'm going to take this item and I'm going to contour to the inside with rounded corner, just 0.2. Now, I could do one of two things, and I think I will. I think I'll go to Object and break the contour apart, and then get rid of the outer contour. And if I Control C and put it in the center of the page, then when I Control D and duplicate it, what's going to happen, I'm going to go 60 degrees. It's putting a space between them. So that's another look instead of having them close together. And you could always, let's just take this and let's just smart fill them. And then let's see what it looks like with a black background. It'll kind of make it pop out. I'm going to take away the indexing lines and put a black background, or even a dark blue in this case would work, order back a page, and it kind of makes it stand out. So there's one way to do it to kind of make it stand out. But if you didn't want to contour it, let's just move this one over, and let's group this together and hit P and put it in the center of the page. And then let's go ahead and go to View or Object and ungroup them, and let's delete these other ones. I've actually got two copies going somehow. And if you don't hit that X, it will go into the shape tool. Okay, down to one. Now what we want to do is have this area darker after we fill it in. So let's go ahead and use the Smart Fill tool. I really started liking this color. And then let's take the Interactive Fill tool and let's swipe, and then let's put some darkness on this edge. And you know what, for this video, I'm going to use this blue because I think it's really going to make it pop out when we put a black background on it. And you could always, move that out. You could add another blue to make it bluer and darker there. You could bring your black in and make it a little bit darker. So now we're good with that. I'm going to alternate C and put it in the center of the page. See, I'm not even using indexing lines, but I know it's there. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now, let's look at it and see, you kind of get a weird looking star and a little bit of space in these parts. Let's look at it with a black box around it. And I just show this off to, if you're printing on a dark shirt or something, or a dark color. I mean, look how it kind of looks like they're actually going in. And if I would have, here, let's just do it real quick. Let's take this and go to Edit and clone it. And then alternate C, and then rotate it 60 degrees. I don't know why that pops up. Control D, Control D, Control D. Now, if you look, this is our control curve. We can get our interactive fill tool, and we could change the color of the darkness. And if we take that away, you can really see what you can do with it. And, you could play with that, and being at the clone, you could add a little light blue in here, and that's almost too much. Bring this down. Wow. That looks pretty cool. Let's do this. Let's do another blue here. And then, wow, look at that. And then another light blue here. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.